Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Sam Duwana, and I'm taking you inside KSC. The Space Launch System, or SLS, rocket is one step closer to launch. This week, teams with NASA's Exploration Ground System and contractor Jacobs stacked the interim cryogenic propulsion stage, the ICPS, on top of the rocket inside the vehicle assembly building at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Attaching to the rocket's launch vehicle stage adapter, the ICPS and its single Ariel-10 engine will give the Orion spacecraft the big push it needs for its journey around the moon. Through Artemis, NASA will send the first woman and the first person of color to the lunar surface and will establish a sustainable presence on and around the moon. Teams from Kennedy, Johnson Space Center in Houston, and Marshall Space Flight Center in Alabama recently came together to rehearse the day of launch countdown operation for Artemis I. This marked the mission's first joint simulation, with team members from multiple NASA centers participating. The simulation involved using software to replicate the commands and operations the launch team will be given and monitoring on launch day. 6 other joint simulations are scheduled to take place before Artemis I launches. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.